Good morning, friends. Last night was an interesting but very enjoyable night. About 6 o'clock, huge storm blew in. Lots of thunder, lots of rain. Climbed in the van, did a couple things, and it put me to sleep. I think I was asleep by 8 o'clock. But that's okay. It was a good night. I needed the sleep. Long drive yesterday. Feeling a lot better this morning. So I've just been kind of lollygagging around, waiting for people to clear out. It's Sunday. So I think a lot of people go back to Texas, and I'm going to go up and try to find a dispersed spot for the night. So this is Fir Campground, F-I-R, right outside of Cloudcroft, New Mexico. Very nice camp host, very nice camp, very quiet considering it's full of people. But it's nice. I like the way it's set up, I like the way they handle it. I would do this again for sure. So I'm going to show you a little bit on my way out. Fir Campground. Let's go. And that's that. Haha, I wasn't at Fir Campground at all. I was at the Pines. Oops. Well, you know what? Fir is right across the street, but it's closed. That's where I got that. That's kind of funny. Yeah, lost on land again, but it's okay. Alright, there's a trash can around here somewhere. I'm going to go find it. Cloudcroft is crazy busy. Notice there's 2 barbecue places in town. This is one of them. Looks pretty full. Kinda. Check out this other one, and they're just a few doors down from each other. Yeah, crazy busy. So many people. But yeah, look at this barbecue place. Look at the lines all the way out. People parking across the street to come over here. Crazy. Must be good food. Yeah, too many people. I gotta go find a spot. Alright, this was on Campendium. I'm gonna check it out. It's called Bailey Camp Road. Hey, there's camping up here. I don't know if I believe them. We'll find out. Huh. I wonder if it's down there. I don't know. Yeah, because I think this is just a trailhead. I don't know. Alright, I'm gonna hang up and drive. Well, unfortunately, this road is bust. There's a few decent campsites, but of course there's people in them. Actually, not even people. Those are just empty vehicles, probably saving the spot. Or they're down eating barbecue. So, on to the next try. Gosh, I don't want to do this all day. Yeah. Oh yeah, there's somebody here. They're just playing on their four-wheelers. They're not even camping. But yeah, that'd be a good spot right there. Oh well. It's not a bad road, at least. Looking for a place to camp. Still haven't found one, but I wanted to pull over and show you this lookout. Kind of cool. You can see White Sands from here. It is hot down there for sure. Heck, it's hot up here. July, what are you gonna do? I am just not having any luck up here. So I've camped in this spot before, hoping nobody'd be here, but of course somebody's here. On to the next spot. So this is where I landed this evening. It's called James Canyon. It's free to camp here. The only bad thing is it is right on that road, but nobody else is here. It should be alright. It'll be quiet in the van. Isn't that gorgeous? It started raining right after I got here, so I went up under this little shelter. Read a book for a little while. So that was lovely. But now I'm going to cook some food and get my map out and see what I'm going to do tomorrow. Yep, that's the plan. I do know finding a shower is definitely in order. Definitely. Yep, it rained. Alright, so this is where I am right now. So I'm not sure what the fastest way to get to Santa Fe. But I have a feeling Mr. Google Map will tell me. I'm going to have to get some reception though. Yeah. I think it's going to make me want to go over the mountain. And go up that way. Alright. Hopefully I can find some camping somewhere in the mountains around Santa Fe. We'll see. Goodbye, Cloudcroft. Until next time. I don't know if y'all can see white sands out there, but that's kind of cool. We're heading down the hill. Down, down, down. The elevation in Cloudcroft's around 9,000 feet. So that was just the perfect temperature. So let's go find another spot at 9,000 feet, shall we?